Hello, student. I hope you all be well. I am Hossein Mardani. Welcome to Olympiadia channel. In this lesson, we are going to study about how to map a function in geometric region. So, for example, we have a triangle and we want to know what happens if we map the triangle into 1 over x and 1 over y mapping. So let's read the question. A right angled triangle is placed like this shape. What would the triangle be look like if each point get mapped using 1 over x and 1 over y transformation? So we have a transformation or a mapping, which is every single point like x and y is mapped by 1 over x and 1 over y transformation. So as a brief, we can write x and y point goes into 1 over x and 1 over y point in the new region of mapping. So all point inside the plane is going to mapped by 1 over x and 1 over y mapping. So a new place would be created. So we wanna know what would happen for the triangle. The triangle is getting changed by this mapping. It's better to take apart this triangle into its section. So for example, we take apart the length of length 1, length 2, and length 3 of triangle. Lengths 1 and 2 are perpendicular for right angle length, and third length is for hypotenuse length. So we can write every equation for any length. For the first length, we have all the points placed inside the line of x is equal to 1. And the exact formula for this line is x is equal to 1 for y, which is placed between 1 and 2. And for the second length, we have such formula. Y is equal to 1 for x between 1 and 2. But for third length, we have more complicated formula. Y is equal to minus x plus 3 because the line is crossed from the point of 2 and 1 and 1 and 2. So we can get the formula as y is equal to minus x plus 3 for x between 1 and 2. Now we are ready to change this formula into mapping criteria. So our mapping criteria is x and y is going to 1 over x and 1 over y. So if we change x is equal to 1, we can also get x is equal to 1 because 1 over 1 is equal to 1, but y is changed to all the point between 1 half and 1. So we can draw the line. And for the second length, we have y is equal to 1, which 1 over y is also equal to 1. So y is equal to 1, but x is changed between 1 half and 1. And for the last one, we have y is equal to minus x plus 3, which if we change it into mapping form, we can get x and minus x plus 3, which is changed into 1 over x and 1 over minus x plus 3 because we replace y as minus x plus 3. And we will try to get the formula between 1 over x and 1 over minus x plus 3. It's better to choose the capital letter for 1 over x and 1 over minus x plus 3 as capital X and capital Y. So by doing this, we can get capital Y is equal to capital X over 3x minus 1 for all x between 1 half and 1. And we can get this formula together. For first length, we have x is equal to 1. And for the second formula, we have y over 1. And for the third formula, we have y is equal to x over 3x minus 1. So it's turn to draw this formula into the plane. So for first formula, we have the line like this. Y is between 1 half and 1. And for second formula, we have line like this. And for the last formula, we have a shape more complicated, which all the shape is going through the 1 and 1 half and 1 half and 1 point. So for get the right shape, we have to pay attention at if x go to positive infinity, y is going to be 1/3 and denominator 0 is 1/3. So 1 half is greater than 1/3 and in the infinity we have 1/3 as constant number. So we can draw the line as this. And we only need the curve between 1 half and 1. So to get the right shape, we have the shape like this. So for all the formula, we can get the corresponding line as this. And the shape has been completed. I hope you all students enjoy this video and until the next question, stay tuned and goodbye.